Hey Central Iowa, you'll never guess what I'm standing on top of. It's a septic tank. Why, you may ask? Because we have 6 septic tanks left over from our 2019 inventory. These aren't just any septic tanks. They come with a 5-year warranty, and we're giving them away as long as you pay for installation. And we're not talking about a hidden figures type of deal. We're talking about a line item on the estimate type of deal.
So if you've been waiting to replace your septic system, now's the time. Call 515-262-9174.